Imagine yourself in a single room. Your poo is there, your feces is there, your urine is there, you sleep there, you do everything in that single room, and you are locked in that room where you don't have any choice, and you have to stay in that room for a longer time. What do you think will happen? In a few days' time, the room will begin to smell badly. You will not like the place. But since you don't have option, you are staying in there, you are going to fall sick, and even if you are not lucky, at the end you are going to die. This same scenario applies to the fish. You bring them in the pond, you have locked them here. They have no choice. If in a natural wild fish or in a natural water bodies, they have so many places they can go in, so many things they can do. But now you confine them here. They eat here, and the leftover feed is decaying in the water. They remove metabolism here, and other words, they remove physics here, and that physics also remain in that same environment for them. Ammonia is building up. All these things. At the end of the day, the water will be smelling badly, they will be uncomfortable, they will fall sick, and they will die. What about if I told you that there's a simple tool which can help you to be taking out their feces, their poo, their metabolism, their waste, the high ammonia, and adding them oxygen. And that way, you are not just leaving them in their feces, and because you're also taking that out and the leftover feed, the environment will always be good for them. In that means that they won't feel bad, the water will not smell bad for them, they won't fall sick, and they'll be growing faster. And that tool is the recirculating aquaculture system, we simply call the RAS. The recirculating aquaculture system, if you are hearing this for the first time, it is made out of filtration system and aeration system. While the filtration system is removing the insoluble particles like the waste, such as the feces, the leftover feed, the high ammonia, and all these insoluble particles in the water. While the oxygen or the aerator system is adding oxygen into the pond. And that is complemented with the natural oxygen. And that means the environment of the fish is always good. The fish will be healthy, they'll be eating very well, they'll be growing very well, and more importantly, you will not spend so much money and time changing the water. Somebody might say, oh, I have abundant water in my farm, so I can always change. That is true. But like I said, the fact that you are not changing the water all the time is not only helping you take down cost and time, but it is also helping the fish to eat well, to break down the feed, and then food feed conversion ratio will be high, and that can lead to faster growth. And mind you, the constant changing of the water is also shocking the fish because you are changing their water all the time. It's also affecting their growth. But if you have this system, you are good to go. If I wonder how to get it, we can help you install this in your farm if you are within Ghana or whatever that you think we can reach out to you, we can help you set it. But that's not even the big deal. The bigger deal is that what about if I told you you can set up your own system simply without much difficulties? Ask me how. To do that, you need to learn. And how do you learn? Because of you and people like you that we have made our DIY flotation and aeration system to help you and I to learn it ourselves. This is a simple course made out of several videos which is uploaded on Gumroad. Just check in the description, click on the link, it will take you there. Then you can enroll in that course. After you enroll, it's going to give you simple breakdown, everything you need to know from planning, buying your equipment, putting up everything to have a complete setup. And the good news is that we also have discount for the few people who are coming. So if you delay that discount, 30% will go free. So check in the link in the description and enroll in that course. If you learn, it's going to help you a lot. Because if someone teach you how to catch fish, how to catch fish, it's better than him giving you fish. Because if he teach you how to catch fish and you finish eating, you can catch yourself and eat. But if he gives you fish and it finishes, where are you going to get it again? That's why this course is made for you. If you learn, the land is yours. Even if I put up thousands of fish ponds, you can easily set up this simple system. And a simple system uses a lot of local materials. The only thing you might need to source somewhere is the submersible water pumps. And that way, I'm much sure that it is available in your country. Get it done. Not only this recycle aquaculture system, if you also want to be much successful in your fish farming journey, getting the right setup with the right equipment and with the right training is as important as the fish farming itself. Because if you set it up, remember, and you put huge sum of money and you don't have the right setup, the right equipment, and the right knowledge or training, you're going to lose all your fish and therefore using all your money. And I believe that you will not want to jeopardize or you don't want to risk your money just to throw it into the water. In that case, we can help you set up a functioning farm. Farm coming with the circle water system, simple, and you can grow your fish. And more importantly, we train you, we mentor you, and we add you into our platform where you can constantly learn how to produce your fish with high profit as possible. We also link you to potential buyers so that by the time your fish is ready for sale, you have people who will buy your fish. My name is Abdulaziz Isa. If you're watching me for the first time, I'm a fish farmer and I've been setting up farms and this is aquaculture system for farmers. And I'm also teaching people online, like this particular platform. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. If you haven't subscribed to our social media handles, please do so. And let's learn together. It is very important to do your homework. And the recirculating aquaculture system, it is the secret of fish farmers growing their fish. And the good news is that this system is good for both catfish and tilapia. Remember, you cannot grow tilapia without aeration system. They always need oxygen to thrive. Catfish, yes, even though if you have enough water, you can have the time to be changing all the time. Catfish, you can grow them like that. But with tilapia, even if you have enough water and you can grow them, you still need aeration system to be able to grow them. And this system comes with the irrigation system because the irrigation system alone cannot prevent you from changing the water. Remember that because the feces are and the leftover feed are still left in the pond. So even in as much as you add oxygen, it will get to a time the water will be thicker and smell, and you have to change it. But with this system, the filtration system removing while the irrigation system add oxygen. And because of that, you can grow both catfish and tilapia without any much difficulties. So either you are intending to raise catfish, you are intending to raise tilapia, this system is made for you. Please, if you have found value in the video, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. Let me know your experience in the circle aquaculture system. Thank you so much. And don't forget to check the link in the description, enroll in that course, and you'll see me physically there. And more importantly, if you enroll in the course and you have any challenges or contact details are there, send us a WhatsApp message. We can guide you and we provide you with any other thing that you need to know to be successful. Once again, my name is Abdulaziz Isa. We are working for Aquaponics and all these channels to share fish farm tips based on experience and research. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.